I'll teach a workshop, you know what I mean? You know, what's up, man? M-Pact, your man, all the way from, almost said, what's up, man?
Hey,
M-Pact.
I see you again.
what up, man? Welcome to Villn M-Pact workshop. We're going to do this for here, you know what I mean? Just representing for, California.
So we're here at Rutgers University. We just had a workshop at RU Breaks.
We had a great time. I feel like Villn and I, when we teach, we try our best not to just teach foundation or anything, because I feel like you learn it anywhere, but we try to teach what we learned that could give them the application for them to, when we're gone, they could still continue to build on themselves. So we taught a lot of movement, transition, concept, that in the long run, if anything, we could leave them and they could still be creating off of what we taught them. So it was fun. We had a great time. Big shout out to all the students that showed up. As college alumni, college b-boys too, we will say that we understand what they're doing, and at the same time, being a college student and trying to still pursue the b-boy or dance career is tough. But I would say something that was great for us that it's therapeutic as well. So the balance of both worlds is that you utilize what you love, which is your passion, as a therapeutic way for you to continue your college and higher education.
Computer science.
Computer science?
Computer science.
History and philosophy.
History, philosophy.
Homicide.
Huh?
Homicide.
Okay.
Exercise science.
Exercise science. All exercise science.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Oh, I was going there actually, but I chose dance. I feel you. I was gonna go there. The long story short, I could have gone to my school at one, but Ben was like, "Hey, you want to dance?" I'm like, "Yeah, let's do that."
I feel like because we're also been through college, we were able to connect with the student. We tried our best to kind of just be them as well, you know what I mean? Because we're not just gonna come here and just be a teacher, but we're also like alumni, so we feel where they're at.
Yeah.
So
we gave a lot.
Yeah, we gave a lot. So
within that hour.
Yeah. If anything, I would say something I would leave the students and whoever's watching is that continue to create yourself. Continue to create who you want to be. I feel like breaking it provide that platform. It's free movement. You get to create what you want to do, how you present yourself, your persona, and everything. So is this endless possibility of who you want to be. So I'll say that's something that I would say leave them off with and continue to do what you love to do.